Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Premiere Pro on Windows 11 step by step clearly. To install Adobe Premiere Pro on Windows 11, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Adobe website. In the top menu, hover over the Products section. From the drop-down, click on Premiere Pro. On the Premiere Pro page, locate the Free Trial or Buy Now button. Click on the button to proceed. If you choose free trial, you'll need to create an Adobe account or sign in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to complete the account setup. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the download page. Click on the download button for the Creative Cloud installer. A file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Creative Cloud installer file and double-click it to run. If prompted, allow the installer to make changes to your device. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once Creative Cloud is installed, it will launch automatically. Sign in using your Adobe account credentials. In the Creative Cloud interface, find Premiere Pro under the Apps tab. Click the Install button next to Premiere Pro. The installation process will begin and may take several minutes. When the installation is complete, a notification will appear. You can now find Premiere Pro in your Start menu. Click on the Premiere Pro icon. Follow any additional setup prompts within Premiere Pro. You are now ready to start editing your videos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.